Hello friends, my name is Tanishq. Today our topic is John Dalton. John Dalton was a British scientist who put forth his atomic theory in 1803 AD. According to this theory, matter is made up of atoms and atoms are indivisible and indestructible. All atoms of an element are alike while different elements have different atoms with different mass. Let me tell you about John Dalton's early life. John Dalton was born into a Quaker family from Eaglesfield near Cockermouth in Cumberland, England. His father was a weaver. He received his early education from his father and from Quaker John Fletcher, who ran a private school in nearby village of Padshaw Hall. John Dalton's family was too poor to support him for long and he began to earn his living from the age of 10 in the service of wealthy local Quaker Elihu Robinson. Let me tell you about his greatest discovery, atomic theory. The important of all Dalton's investigations are concerned with the atomic theory in chemistry. While his name is inseparably associated with this theory, the origin of Dalton's atomic theory is not fully understood. The theory may have been suggested to him either by researches on ethylene and methane or by analysis of nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide, both views resulting on the authority of Thomson. From 1814 to 1819, Irish chemist William Higgins claimed that Dalton had plagiarized his idea, but Higgins' theory did not address relative atomic mass. However, recent evidence suggests that Dalton's development of two may have influenced by ideas of another chemist who is Irish and is known as Brian Higgins, who was William's uncle. Brian believed that an atom was a heavy central particle surrounded by an atmosphere of caloric, the supposed substance of heat at the time. The size of an atom was determined by the diameter of the caloric atmosphere. Based on the evidence, Dalton was beware of Brian's theory and adopted very similar ideas and languages, but he never acknowledged Brian's anticipation of caloric model. However, the essential novelty of Dalton's atomic theory is that he provided a method of calculating relative atomic weights for the chemical elements, something that neither Brian nor William Higgins did. His priority for that crucial step is uncontested. A study of Dalton's laboratory notebook discovered in the room of Manchester Literary and Philosophical Society concluded that so far from Dalton's being led by his research for an explanation of law of multiple proportions to the idea that chemical combination consists in interaction of atoms of definite characteristics with the idea of atom arose in his mind as a purely physical concept, forced on him by study of the physical properties of atmosphere and other gases. The first published indications of his idea are to be found at the end of his paper on the absorption of gases by water and the other liquids already mentioned. That he says, why does not water admit its bulk of every kind of gas alike? This question I have duly considered, and I thought I am not able to satisfy myself completely. I am nearly persuaded that the circumstance depend on the weight and the number of ultimate particles of several gases. He then proposes relative weights for the atoms of a few elements. Without going into further details, the main points of Dalton's atomic theory as it eventually developed are: first, elements are made up of extremely small particles called atoms. Second, atoms of a given element are identical in size, mass, and their properties. Atoms of different elements differ in size, mass, and other properties. Third, atoms cannot be subdivided, created, or destroyed. Fourth, atoms of different elements combine in simple whole number ratios to form chemical compounds. Fifth, in chemical reactions, atoms are combined, separated, or rearranged. Let me tell you something more about Dalton. Dalton was born on 6 September 1766 in Eaglesfield, Cumberland, England. He is known for atomic theory, law of multiple proportions, Dalton's law of partial pressures, Daltonism. His awards were Royal Medal in 1826. He died on 27 July 1844, aged 77, Manchester, England. Thank you for watching the video, and please comment on my video. Thank you.